They're Ryan eating tamales on the job. Is the air not on?
I don't think so.
What the f is this?
Oh, don't use that one. That's watered down.
So you don't consent, so you don't get one.
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
Oh, no. Is your Game Boy ringing or what? Nah, I haven't even done a bumper.
Just stay away from the edges.
Okay. There's a lot of pastas though to choose from, that's the thing. It's an inside joke, bro.
I don't like inside jokes. They can feel left outside.
Oh, sorry, Alex. You know, take that one out. Ferrari.
Guess how bumper.
Okay, yeah. Told you.
Yeah, dude, that's crazy.
Oh, attention to detail. Oh my god.
Yes.
Yes, because you're
Only because you got the camera on your head.
It's not recording. That's
What's
not
up?
even on.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is. Cool, bro. He looks really irritated.
Oh, then stop looking at his ear.
I just looked at it.
Got this one too?
Nope. I just have one question for you, Carlos.
Can I what?
Who
Oh,
knows what movie that's from?
honestly, yeah, I do remember. He does remember a good amount of movies and songs too.
Olive Garden that sets all the new pop.
Alright. I already did it. I already did it.
What?
Huh? Alex said it's on.
The red light isn't
Yeah,
blinking.
it's blinking.
Well, we're trying to set you up.
making it look like I'm working. Oh, edit that one out. It looks like purple.
What should I work on now?
You want to help me with this one?
Gotcha. Where am I putting it? All the way in front, wherever I want.
Somewhere along the fence. Hey, you gonna put that one in?
You gonna bring that one inside, Justin?
That you're moving cars.
No.
You're the camera guy today. It's hot in there.
Yeah, I bet. 50 seconds of you staring at me.
50 seconds is, yeah, just eye to eye contact, no words.
All the way, go.
Wow.
You couldn't even park straight. Be quiet.